Okay, hi, my name is Boris Garbus and I want to explain how possible to work with Testonfly program with ports RS232. I want to say to you that this Testonfly program is a fully free program and you can find it here on this address, and also you can find how possible to install it. It's not a big problem here, it needs some steps to do and it will be good. Now let's try to build something. First of all I need to choose what directory I want, and now this is the program Testonfly, and today I want to show you how it's possible to do some automatization test, and I want to build it with using RS232. Here you can see that there is 4 panels, A, B, C, D. And first of all, how we can start with ports? Any ports we need to connect 2 ports. Possible to use only ports 1, 2, 3, 4, not others. And first test, let's do first test that I can connect it here to port. How I can do it? I need to choose set ports, and now you see that I have connection to port 1 to all the panel, but need to change it. Also you can do something else. If you have you can directly go to the panel B. You know that you need to connect to port 2. You can choose it from here. The same result will be. Now I will try to connect it. Test is ready. I send it, and now I have connection. You see, test 1, port 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next step that I want to do, I want to copy the same test. Yeah, I click here, copy, and I paste it. Now we have 2 test number 1. Now I can rename it, and the test 2 I want to send commands. Let's think that I want to build such program that have a connection to all of my cards. I have 4 cards, different cards, and I want to find information there, to get information from all cards, what is the version and so on of these cards. Sometimes it's need for work. Okay, let's send command ver to all the card, all of the panels, and we can see answer from all cards. Let's do it. Oh yes, now we have full information, and now I want to get this information, and after this I want to put information to Excel file. This is very simple. First of all, let's get it from all panels. For this one you need to go to get and check value. Okay, now let's take information from panel 1. Let's take information from panel A about the card type. Okay, you need to choose. This is from panel A, and you will have a result, but you can see that the result is a little bit longer than what we get. To change it, we can put here numbers 1. For example, if you put here 1, you can see that you can see 2 words, and if you put 3 or 2, you can see that it will be 3 words, and so on. Now we have full result. Let's think that I don't need full result. Don't need nothing, only first result. Okay, this one. And I also want to find card geographical address. Okay. Let's check it here. I have 5, and maybe also card logical version card. Okay, one more. You can use A, you can put it, and you can put after what you need to find. In this column you can put all what you need to find after what you need to find, and you will get result here in the result value. Here is no result, I don't know why. Geographical address, let's take once more. Okay, now we have it. And from panel B I want to also to put something. What is the unit name, for example? Unit name, I add test, I put from panel B, and I put after what I need to find. Here is I need to software version result. Click here. Let's build here a lot of line that you can do it. Okay, this is a software version. Yes, I have software version. From the panel C I want to find something like this one. I also want to find the DSL version here, but this is from panel C. Don't remember that this is for different panel. And from the last panel I want to find, for example, this one. I want also to find this one. I want also to find this one. And this is also from file D. And last version here, as we can find this one. Let's do. Oh, we have full information. About this. Next step, I want to check that it's really the same. If I will connect the next time, maybe I have a different version number. I want to check exactly that pieces we have the same result. How I can do this? Now you can see that all test is pass. Okay. Okay, I want to check that there is exactly the same value in our card. For this one I need to go here where is have a percent, and I need to put it exactly on the time. If you use something like string, you can click here and you will have the same information in the minimum and maximum, and this is mean that it need to be exactly what need. If you have a such string like 5 digital, you can put maybe 10%, and you will check according this one. Let's check also this one. Okay. Let's check. We can do this for all string if you need, but if you don't need, you don't know. And the result is here. And let's do that on the. Let's go to panel A, and let's check that if we have a different number that we have failed here. We need to have failed. Now it's pass. I will try to change 5. Instead 5, I'll put 7. Let's see that we have another answer, and the result you can see that result is fail. We check that there is 7, but he have minimum maximum value, and because this one he put fail. This is a result that we can get it. Now next time I want to show you how we can do this number of time. It's maybe not so neat for this program, but let's do it. If you want to repeat some test, you need to go here, copy, make paste 1 and maybe 2 times, and after this you need to rename number, and after this you will be ready to start and to fulfill the program. Also the same test you can do from the test builder. Okay, test builder. And now I want to put such test, but let's do the name of the test. Let's change. It's possible to change name. This is a test name, what you want, but also you can do this automatically according to the first string that you have. You can click here and you can see that now we have a test name, little bit difference. Here we have a test version test, and you want to add additional test, and you can do this in another place in the test with the help of test builder. In order to do this, you need to take any test that you want, click on insert or in copy. After this you need to, how many times you need to add this to the table. Let's think that it will be test 1. Okay, and now we can edit test 1. Here is additional test. This is good. Now let's start it and let's check how it's working. We build it. It's very simple, and it's quickly check all the same test a number of time. And after this I will build test that all information that we get here, we build here on the get and check value. We will see it on the Excel file. Now you see that it's finished, and I want to add additional test. Copy, paste, copy and paste here and rename. And I want to do the test, save this in Excel file. In Excel file you need to say where you want. I want to on disk C, on Boris, and maybe tests. Let's build new one, test, and I want here, and I put here, and I want the name of the test 1. Okay, where it will be XLSX. Here is the result. I can check always how it will be work, but before this one I want to show how it's possible to save always different tests. Here you need to add any variables that you want. For example, var_hat. What is var_hat? var1. You can go to the test builder and you can see that there is variables. What variables? Variables 1 have a value 1 and have additional add to this value 1 on the next time. Okay. Now let's check it. If I click here, it will start to build. This test. And now here I can see I can see it. I can see it here. Yeah, this is the result that we get it. And if I send once more time, I will get another number. If I don't do this, maybe the same name of the Excel file, and it will ask you if you need to change or not to change. And now let's do some additional test. I want that my program will do this number of times. For example, I want that it will 3 times to do the same check, and I want to have 3 times the Excel result, different result. Let's do this. I will make copy, paste and rename for this test, but here I need to change. I need to go to test. This is a loop number. You can see that on test name, if you go to test number 10, you see that you go to test time, and we will go to test time, and and the loop numbers you need, if we have here 0, it's needed without any ending. It will be always in loop, and I want to have a loop, 3 loops, and I want that I will have 3 files after this, after test was running. Let's start it, and let's first of all let's delete all tests that it was done before, and let's start it. Let's see how it will make our tests, and how it will put information in Excel file, and what is information will be in Excel file. That's always important. What additional information? How Excel know that he need to build something, and he need to put any information, and on what page? As usual, it's very simple solution here was used, that he put and he built a page exactly with a test name. If you can open this test that it's always built, that is built now. You can see that there is a version. You can see that there is a version here. Okay, you can see it, and in this page he gather all information that we built in our table. Okay, and here we have 2 tables, and for 2 minutes we have 3 tables. Now it's built it. You see this how it's building. It's finished. Right, that he go to test time, and he finished the loop number 3. Now he have loop number 3, and he finished this one. Okay, and this information on the test once more. He built a page with the name of the test, and he put all information here. Only one question. Why we have now a lot of data? I see only one. Why I see only one? Yes, really so. Okay, I will try to understand why it's this information right only once. Let's check it. Why? Let's make save to Excel, and I put something, another name. Okay, let's see this version. Now we have no full information. I don't know why. Oh, I understand what is the reason. I don't see here any information. Oh, now I understand why we have no information in Excel file. We have only one time testing, but not always. This is not a big problem. Let's do changes. It's possible to see here that this is this table I fulfilled on test number 2, and test number 3 I don't take it with the same table. Let's change it. How can I change it? It's very simple. I need to go to test time, I need to go to test builder, I clear table, I make a copy for this test. Okay, and this test I will be add three times in such case. Okay, where also in other name I will get one also 3 times. Now we have 6 tests, and this test we don't need. We don't need such test. Let's delete it. Okay, this test I want to fulfill. I want to rename my test. And I also want to understand what test was built here. I click to rewrite all test name. Now I see that I have a version, but I want that it will be version 1. I test in another name. Let's do it. And I want that this will be on test number 10. Let's choose it. And I want also that it will test number 11. I can change it. Now we have full information, but it's maybe need to change names. Opa, this one is ready. I will start it, and I will check once more how it's working. I want to not to save this. I will start it. Now it will start it, and I hope that it will build now good result all times, and in Excel will be a lot of information, not only one string. Let's go. Let's go to them. I want to go and see how it's built the test. I can stop it now. Can stop it. Okay, and I need to go here Let's go here. Here I will have this test. I want to delete these tests, all tests. I want to delete all tests. I want to stop and I want to start from the very beginning, and I want to see how it built new tests. Here is now it's checking, make testing, and you see that there is now in all the tests we have a such table, and we want to see on Excel file that we have not only one string, a lot of strings with the same information. Now you can see that it's working. And we also want to check that in the Excel file we have two pages now. What two page? First page with the version 1 test with name version, and the second with version 1. Let's do it. Let's go to this test. We have okay, here we have 3 times we have checked all information, and also in version 1 we have this such information. Okay, this is what I want to explain, and I hope that you can use this program in your work. Thank you very much for attention. Goodbye.